channel, and as you have seen the thumbnail, today's video is very much interesting. Everyone would be very much interested to know, is it possible? So please do watch the video till end, and without wasting any more time, let's go and see what's inside this video. So everyone loves to travel from places to places, but did you anytime travel in time and go to future or past, go to future and see that how you look like and how's your life going on? Everyone will be very much interested, right, to know about the future well in advance. So guys, first of all, let's see what is time. According to physicist Albert Einstein, time is an illusion. It's a fourth dimension. Like we have three dimensions, but time is fourth dimension. The time varies from place to place according to the observer or according to the reference point. If a person is going with a high speed and a person is just walking, so in space, the person with high speed will be going with a very slow time than compared to the person who is walking. The person who is walking, the time will be going very fast, but for the person who is going a speed, the time will be going very slow. So this is something called time dilation. Like now the biggest question arises is that is time travel possible? Like, can we travel time? If it is, then I would love to go to the future and see how our future world will be and what we will be doing that time. Like there are many scientists who say that yes, time travel is possible. But there are some scientists who have said that it is not possible because time traveling needs lot of energy, lot of speed. So we are in a 50-50 chance that whether it's possible or not. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time can be slowed down or it can speed up according to the reference point from where we are seeing. According to that point, we can travel time. Now you may be thinking, how can we do that? There is a hypothetical device which is known as time machine. Everyone will be knowing that if you are seeing Doraemon, like in Doraemon, and in that everyone would have seen it that he has a time machine, and in that Nobita and Doraemon, they go to future and they see how they are and how the future world is, and they go with their friends to the past and they have so much of adventures. So everyone will be knowing about this. So like Doraemon has time machine, so we can make a time machine and we can also travel in that to future or to the past. For traveling in time, we should achieve more than the speed of light. So speed at which an object can time travel is 288 million per second, if I am not wrong. So it's 288 million per meter per second. So it's that much speed required for time traveling. So I think it's not possible for any object to attain that speed. It can happen in wormhole. Wormhole is like two black holes connected with a tunnel. So it's something in this shape. If you enter the tunnel, the other side of tunnel will be the future or the past where we want. But the problem is that wormhole is very small. Like in a scale, it is 1 mm. It's that small. So no human can enter that. So we are still not. So until now, there is no any research done that we can travel in a wormhole. But I think with the advance of physics, I think someday, in some years, we'll be able to travel from the wormhole. Traveling in future is much easier than traveling in past. Why? Why it is like that? Because one small mistake that we do in past will create an impact in the present. So it's very risky to go in the past, but we can travel in the future. So here it is. everyone would love the video. And if you know anything and if you know more about time travel, then you can write in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments. If you want to know more about time traveling, and there are some movies which I have watched it, I would recommend you guys also to watch the movie, because it's very interesting movies. Like one movie I know is Time Lapse, and then Time Trap, and there is one romantic movie which is Love Story of 2050. So it's a very interesting movie. All movies are very interesting, and you can even watch Interstellar, where it's very difficult to understand in the starting, but in 2-3 times you will understand the whole part of the movie. So you can watch Interstellar. In that also they have shown time dilation and many concepts of physics. And then there are many more movies. If you search on YouTube the time traveling movies, you will find every movie. Even in Hindi, even in Bollywood, we have a movie and it is called the Bar Bar Dekho. So it's of Siddharth Malhotra and Katrina Kaif. So that movie is also on time traveling. It's awesome. You can watch that. I highly recommend you guys to watch these 3 movies, because I have watched it and it's very much interesting. And my most favorite movie is Time Trap. So you guys should watch it. If you want, I'll give the link in the description box for the movie Time Trap. So you can just click on the link and go and watch it. So welcome back, friends. So how did you like the video? Did you find it interesting? If you love the video, then please do like, comment and share it to all your dear friends, so that the knowledge is shared to everyone. And if you are not yet subscribed to this beautiful channel, which comes up every week with different topics, then please do subscribe to our channel. Here is the subscribe button. Please do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive further notifications. So for now, I would wave a goodbye to everyone, so that I'll meet you next week, same day, same time. So until then, stay safe and enjoy your life. So bye bye, friends. Meet you next week.